Let let xn be a sequence of positive real numbers, right? It says that L is this can be defined for finding out the limit of this sequence. For finding out this sequence limit, we have to find out n plus 1 upon n terms, okay? And after taking that, we have to find out n tending to infinity. By the ratio test, we have find out the limit. If the limit L is exist, okay? If the limit L exists, so what we have to find, if L is less than to 1, okay, if L is less than to 1, then xn sequence converges and the limit of xn is equals to 0, okay. Now based on example, xn is equals to n upon 2 power n, okay, which is a sequence of positive real number. It is positive, it is also positive 2 power n, it is always positive. So the sequence of terms have positive real numbers. Now we take xn plus 1 upon xn, right? So after finding out xn plus 1 upon xn, what is that? Xn की power n is equals to n plus 1 upon 2 की power n, and this is in the numerator, denominator, then xn is equals to n upon 2 की power n, right? After cancel out the 2 power n to 2 power n, which is equals to, that gives you 1 by 2 and n plus 1 upon n, right? So this comes n to n cancel, then it is 1 plus 1 by n, right? So after taking limit n tending to infinity, xn plus 1 upon xn, which is equals to 1 by 2, right? Which is equals to 1 by 2. Now we have to find out it, firstly we have to find out what is L. Yes, we have find out L, which is exist, okay. So if limit exist, which is equals to L, limit exist, firstly we have to find out what is, if limit exists or not, okay. If limit exists, now secondly what we have to find out, if L is less than to 1, so by directly applying the theorem, xn converges, and the converges then which is equals to 0, and the limit of this is 0. Always we have to firstly find out what is L. How to find out? After taking the limits xn plus 1 upon xn, firstly we have to find out for all the sequence limit test, okay. This is the ratio test which we can apply. Firstly, after taking that, we have to find out what is L. If L is less than 1, so by the theorem, this sequence is converges, and the limit of this sequence is equals to 0. Always it is equals to 0, no any other things there is, okay.